Okay, so what I'm doing today is I'm regassing my car, but I'm not using the 134A. I'm actually cheaping out today on butane gas, and of course it works. So what we do, I'll try to do this one go, bleed that out, so a bit of gas comes out of there, and then as you can see I'm adding a little nozzle and just keep on working that in there. Now I've already vacuumed the AC system with my vacuum pump, but until I actually get some R134A in, I'm using butane gas for now. So I'm going to let you know if this works with the temperature very soon. Okay, so this is just lighter butane gas. Now I've used 2 bottles, so 135 grams times 2 is 270 grams. Now a lot of people make the mistake when they do gas, they actually just put the gas itself in. You need the liquid, so holding the can upside down will definitely help. But let's see what this says. As you can see, it is an absolute possibility. You can indeed recharge your car with butane gas, and that temperature is dropping to really cold, and it is currently 30 degrees today. Look at that temperature drop, and all it cost me was $6 per can, so $12. Now I don't recommend it because it could be a fire hazard if you're in a crash, but overall, if you just want to cheap out, that's definitely the way to go. Have a great day, everybody, and at least you know. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.